Hello, everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about the achievements test of Year 9, May 2024. We're going to talk about the questions in Section B. Section B, answer all questions. Question 16. The list below shows the weights of 12 boxes in kilograms, I'm sorry. These are the weights in kilograms. Now we have 12 boxes. What is the modal weight of the 12 boxes? Now we have to understand the meaning of the word mode or modal. We understand that mode means what? It means the most frequent. So mode means most frequent, or the highest frequent number. Now, when we look at the data here and we want to find the most frequent number, we can see that 6.7 here is repeated 3 times, and it's the most frequent number. So this means what? This means that 6.7 is the mode for this or these data. Now, let's move on to the next question. Question B. What is the median weight of the 12 boxes? What's the median weight of the 12 boxes? Now, to find the median, first you have to take the data and put them in order of size, starting from the smallest. So let's come here and put them in order, starting from the smallest. And each time you put a number, you have to remove it from the list. So when we look at the numbers here, we'll find out that the smallest one is what? Very good. We have 3.7. This is the smallest number, so we put 3.7. Let's make them smaller so it fits the whole space. So we have 3.7. This is the smallest one. And then what do we have? We can put commas between them, so we know, or just space. So we have 3.7. And after 3.7, what do we have? We have 3.9. Good. 3.7 and 3.9. As we said, each time you choose a number or take a number, you have to take it out so you don't use it again. So we have 3.7, 3.9. After this, what do we have? We have 4.1 here. So we write it in the list, 4.1, 4.1, like this. And then we have 4.9, so 4.9. As we said, again, take the ones that you use so you don't get confused, 4.1 and 4.9. And after this, we have the 5s, so 5.5 and 5.5. So we write them in the list, 5.5, 5.5. And then after 5.5, what do we have? We have the 6s. So 6.7, 3 times. So we write them 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You have to write all the numbers in the list, so you can find the median. Now, after 6.7, first we take them out, yes. 6.7, 6.7, and 6.7. Now, the last ones here, we have 7.2 and 7.4. So I'll take them out and write them. So we have 7.2, 7.2, and 7.4. And the last number is 26.3. And by that, we took all the numbers in the list and put them in order from the smallest, starting from the smallest. Now, to find the median, you're supposed to follow one of these 2 steps. The first step is taking the number, which is 12, here, the number of data, and add 1 to it. So 12 plus 1 will equal 13. And then the median is the number in the middle. So you can divide the 13 by 2, and you will get 6.5. 6.5 means what? It means the number is in the middle between the 6th and the 7th number. The 6th and the 7th number. So you come to the 6th number, which is 5.5. This is the 6th number. And the 7th number is 6.7. These numbers, the median should be in the middle between them because the number of data is even. So the number or the median should be in the middle between the 6th and the 7th number. Now, this is one of the methods. So here, we're supposed to do what? Very good. We're supposed to add them. 5.5 plus 6.7. And then after adding them, we divide them by 2. We divide them by 2 to find the median. So we take the two data in the middle, the 6th and the 7th number. We add them and we divide them by 4, and we will get the median of these weights. That's the idea of finding the median, and this is one of the methods. So we add them and divide them by 2, and we will get 6.1. Now, the other method, if you don't want to use this method, you can use the elimination method. And the elimination method works like what? It works like this. Eliminating one from the left and one number from the right. So eliminate this, 1, 1. And then from the left, 1, 1. Again, left and right, 1, 1. And then left and right, 1, 1. And the last numbers, 1, 1. And then you'll end up with two numbers. If you end up with one number, the number that you end up with is the median. But if you end up with two numbers like this, it means you have to add them and then divide them by 2. And this is how you find the median from an even number data. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, the last question here, C. Which of the weights is an outlier? Which of the weights is an outlier? An outlier means what? It means a number which is extremely bigger than the data or extremely smaller than the data that you have. As we can see here, most of the data are 4s, 3s, 4s, 6s, and 7s. So you see numbers between 3 and 7, 3 and 7. But here, when you look at this number, 26.3, you'll notice that it is extremely bigger than the rest of the numbers. So, as we said, an outlier is a number which is extremely big or extremely smaller than the data that you have. This means that 26 here, 26.3, is the outlier of this data. Now, we write it as an answer here, this. So this means that 23.6 is the outlier for this question. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.